Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the moon blood mutation and grow a garden. So basically, there will be a weather. It's called the marrow moon, higher moon blood fruit chance, and it is a Halloween weather. So it's going to hopefully make one of your plants at least have the moon blood. It's not even moon blood. It's moon blood weather and grow a garden. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so my beetroot has been moonblood. I don't know which one it is, if I'm being honest. Okay, not that one. Oh, I have a lot, so I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.